All right, WMC, here's the video to find the winner of the 1957 Topps Original Cards, the 5-pack mystery box. We will check the time May 1st at 6:26 p.m. I'm going to go over to the raffle and type live. And we've got May 1st at 6:26 p.m. Here's the list of our 16 entries. We're just going to randomize your name and names, and then whoever is on top after the final roll will win the mystery box. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There's 8. All right, 8 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Kyle. Spot 4 is your winner. So Kyle, excuse me, get with me to collect your cards. There's our verification code, our timestamp, once again, May 1st at 6:27 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.